and microwave. I'm electric gadget. I had been invented in 1945. I use for cook food like pizza, popcorn. My cooking time can be controlled. You can use me with this button. I'm very easy to clean. I'm available in many companies like Samsung, LG, Whirlpool. Thank you.